Hey guys, good morning, happy holidays as usual. Welcome to another video in our holiday season set of videos. I'm so scared to call it vlogmas, you guys, because I'm not uploading every day, as you know, but you know, it's holiday season videos. So I hope you're happy and healthy and pumped for the holiday season. In today's video, we are putting up the Christmas tree, decorating the Christmas tree, and we're also going to try to see if there's anything we can do in and around the house. I was just on Instagram talking about decorations in Japan and how Japan does not do it like the Western countries do, you know, like Canada, US, Jamaica, the Caribbean countries, you know, like we go all out in Christmas with the decors and stuff. Here in Japan, Christmas is not really a big deal, so you'll find Christmas sprinkled in areas, but it's not near anything exciting or top tier. So you find that I could not find, you know, there weren't a wide variety of cushions. It was like 3 or 4 options, and I liked none of them. So you find that I don't have cushion covers. There are just a lot of things. The apartments in Japan are set up a certain way where decorations are just really hard. So to bring Christmas cheer into my heart and into my home, the Christmas tree is just about the main event. So that is what we're doing today. We've already started setting up. We are in our family matching PJs, which I will link below if you are interested. I got them from Pad. I have seen these style, like if you're from the US, I've seen other influencers post links for these exact pajamas from like Walmart. So if you are watching from the US, I guess you could check out Walmart's website or in store to see if you can find the exact print. Feel free to like grab a picture of your screen right now if you know you want this particular pajama. But for people who shop on Pad, so if you're in Asia, you shop on Pad Kids, and it's also available in the US as well, because I have friends that buy their family matching pajamas from Pad. So it's like really wherever you can get them from a print that you like. So I'll link these exact sets down below. And yeah, let's get started with the Christmas decorations, because I do not want this video to be extra long, because y'all know I'm trying to keep it short. So I'm not overwhelmed with editing this holiday season. So let's put up the tree. Oh, Aiden is also done for a nap. He was getting cranky, thought he was going to do one nap today and be a part of all this, but he started getting cranky, so I put him down for a nap. Hopefully he can, you know, hopefully he's not like super shocked when he sees the tree. And you like, he's a curious baby, so I'm like actually have anxiety about him getting in the tree. So if you're a mom of littles, like leave advice down in the comments for me on how to keep your little ones away from the tree so they don't pull it down, because I'd hate to not have a tree on Christmas Day, you know what I mean? But anyway, let's get started with the Christmas shenanigans. So cue the Christmas music right now as we, you know, try to jazz up this place a bit. Alright guys, let's get started in putting this Christmas tree up and getting the place very merry and bright. I personally love Christmas time of year. I love the Christmas music, and I do not want to be, you know, butting in the Christmas music throughout this video, because I really want you to enjoy the aesthetic and enjoy the Christmas songs and all of that. So I promise I'll try to keep my poppins limited while you watch, but we're just starting off by putting up the Christmas tree here. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. Guys, so very quickly we're realizing like our Christmas tree, as I said, is like one of the cheapest ones on Amazon. We don't have space. We're not living in Japan forever, so we just have not invested a lot of money into getting like a good tree. However, the decorations that we had last year, it's fine, but I think the tree wants a little more pizzazz. So I'm actually going to run out to the dollar store real quickly to see if I can get like a few little trinkets here and there, and we will continue to decorate the tree. At this point, it doesn't matter if Aiden wakes up from his nap because I wanted him to be a part of this anyway. It's gonna be a little more chaotic, but it's fine. I'm gonna run to the dollar store real quick and then we're gonna pick up the video because yeah, I mean, look at the tree. It's like so sad. But anyway, let me do that real quick.
Everyone knows that Christmas should be white. Bing Crosby got that right. Oh, but I'm in Copacabana, tanning up for Santa. But I'm getting on a plane, a boat, or a train. I'm setting a new course, bearing straight due north. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on.
In my eyes, the tree looks a little sad. I mean, it's one of the cheapest trees that I got off of Amazon. I will link it down in the description box below if there are any other, you know, foreigners here who would love to have, you know, just a little Christmas tree in their home to bring a little Christmas cheer. I'll link it down below. It came with a few ornaments that we used last year, and like I mentioned earlier, I went to the dollar store to pick up a few more ornaments just to like jazz it up a bit more. But the tree turned out great. I loved it, and also very excited to show you guys the decor that I ended up doing in and around the house. I think you are going to love it.
Leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you alone with all the else. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Let me tell you about old Saint Nick and me.
also on the phone with Adam's parents here, so Adam was showing them the Christmas tree with the lights off and with the lights on and stuff like that. We also started cleaning up because Aiden was waking up, and I put the tree skirt under the Christmas tree and just tidy the area a little bit before moving on to the rest of the house. And stay tuned to see Aiden's reaction to seeing the Christmas tree here shortly.
More attention than
Aiden, do you see the tree? Do you see the tree?
Point, Natay.
Look, Aiden, look. Look over there. Look over there on the tree. Look, there's a tree.
Aiden.
Look, Mama made a tree.
This way. You see, no. Calculate what for do you know?
Yeah, it's a Christmas tree. Yeah.
Those up.
What do you think?
No man, I get distracted by the flowers. Go on over.
What do you think of the tree? Couldn't care less, nah?
The flowers, let me see.
So guys, Aiden actually did not go straight to the tree, which is kind of a good thing in my eyes. So at least I know he's not going to tear it down. But eventually he ended up moving closer and closer to the tree. And he also undecorated it for a bit. But to be honest, I haven't seen him give it much time of day, which is nice. But stay tuned for part 2 of this Decorate With Me Christmas video to, you know, learn about the update with Aiden and the tree.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way.
Okay, I have to pop in right here just to preface what we're about to get into. So the tree is up, it's nice, it's pretty, and then now we're getting into actually decorating in and around the house. All of the pieces that you see me use in this video and also in part 2 that is coming up in the next upload is from the dollar store. Not everything cost $1, but most of the things were affordable. Actually, all of the things were affordable. So that is what we're heading into right now. Comment down in the comment box below and tell me your thoughts of how the decor came together, considering that it wasn't high end at all. And yeah, let's get into decorating the house and chill out to some nice Christmas music. I really hope I do not have to like pop in and disturb you from all of this nice music, because it really speaks life into my soul. So I want it to speak life into your soul. And also #MomLife. Yes, I'm decorating my table right now, but as you can see on the other side of the kitchen, it's a hot mess because you just cannot have it all as a mom.
And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
I wish I had a mantle or a fireplace to, decorate with the stockings and stuff for Christmas, but we don't. Here in Japan, we don't have a fireplace. The apartments don't come with one usually. So, I'm just doing the best that I can by hanging the Christmas stockings on the wall with some thumbtacks or something like that. And, just trying to do the best that I can with what I have.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business.
Also tried to put some gel stickers on the window here, and I realized that it was a bad idea because not only was Aiden trying to help me clean the window here, but also the pieces were small and they could easily peel off of the glass. So definitely not kid friendly. I realized that and I moved on into putting the stickers on the fridge instead.
Did you that everything would change from now on? Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me, decorating
I talked about these cushions in the overview when I did the entire house decorated tour. So I'm not going to get into those right now, but I am popping in to say that coming up here, you'll see me starting to decorate in Aiden's room. But because I have so much footage of that aspect, decorating Aiden's room and a few other rooms in the house, like the bedroom and stuff, I ended up having to cut this video about 25 minutes, and I am going to be doing a part 2 where you'll see us decorating Aiden's room and our bedroom, and I think we added a little something in the office. So stay tuned for part 2 of this video coming up in the next upload. That's within the next 2 days. So subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss when that video goes live. Thank you so much for joining me today. Happy holidays from my family to yours, and I will see you in the next 2 days.
From this Christmas song.
Alright, wee!
From this Christmas song. It's gonna be you and me.
You giving mommy a hair styling?
Decorating the
Wow.
tree from this Christmas song. From this Christmas song.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging.